Hey you, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladessa. You spell that L-A-D-E-S-S-A. L to the D to the L to the D to the L to the D to the Ladessa. What's good? If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are one of my regular schmegulas, what it do, boo? So I am so happy to be here. I want to show you how I created this look, and how I created this look was using some techniques that I learned right here on YouTube. So prior to me deciding that I wanted to be a content creator or beauty enthusiast, I didn't know about primers, setting powders. They didn't teach me any of that down to the MAC store. They said your shade is NC50. Go on about your business. So I learned how to, apply eyeshadow my way. It looked decent for the most part. I never wore lashes. I didn't know how to fill in my brows and all of that. And then I really got into YouTube watching. And then over the course of the year and a half that I've been on YouTube, I've really learned some different techniques on how to just make your application just a really smooth out, buttery, matte, little bit of dew finish. And so I want to just kind of give you some new music from Shanice, the real Shanice on Instagram, who happens to be the singer Tweet's daughter. She has like a beautiful voice, and she has 2 tracks that I'm really feeling right now. So I'm going to let those play as music beds and just kind of type out for you the techniques that I've learned here on YouTube. It's going to be a really quick video, nothing too deep, but I just wanted to show you what I've learned. And I'll see you on the other side.
Love don't excite me no more. My feelings fade away, walked out the door. Or I even crossed my heart and hope to die. Why do we make love so complicated? That's the sound of my heart breaking, babe. Oh, the pain. And it sounds like this can't be love if your pride is in the way. Hold your change, 'cause feel the same. Just wanna hear you say. I want you to know, oh, I love you so. Not the usual, it's out of control. I can't find this feeling with nobody. I might be addicted to your body. Trust you with my love. Can't seem to get enough. So tired of wasting time, 'cause I can't find this feeling with nobody. I might be addicted to your body. You got that good, good love.
This is the final look. I have created a full face of makeup doing it the YouTube way, or the ways that I have learned here on YouTube, challenging myself by putting my foundation on before my eyes and doing so using colorful eyeshadows, like trying to be really precise in my own non-makeup artist way, trying not to get all the fallout down on my foundation. I know one of the hacks or one of the methods to that is to leave setting powder down here so it'll catch the fallout. My under eyes are too dry. I couldn't do that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I hope that you'll subscribe on your way out. And I think, what do you think? Can I give myself one? Let me look. Let me get close. I think I can. I think we can on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. We did that. Always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, we are going to hurt our backs dragging all them bags like that. Go forth the YouTube way, or however you want to go and slay. I'll see you on the next time. Bye.